Trent with Unity Tactical to discuss our 4X magnifier. This is the first integrated magnifier available on the market using our patented flip to center technology. This is designed for 2.26 optical centerline optics. By integrating the magnifier into the base, we were able to shave weight, increase strength, and streamline functionality. We've also done this with our new throw lever. Instead of the throw lever being mounted on the side and swinging front to back, our throw lever is incorporated into the base of the optic itself. This allows you, when fully stowed, to be completely free of snag hazards. This is the same way that the magnifier functions when it's in its closed position, so it's not hanging off your rifle. The Unity 4X magnifier offers 4X magnification, weighs just under 12 ounces, has a 2.6-inch eye relief, and a 30-foot field of view. It's manufactured at a 7075 T6 aluminum and Type 3 hardcoat anodized. The optical glass provides a clear and durable sighting solution, while Unity's patented flip-to-center technology allows it to be the smallest profile stored within the footprint of the rifle. Let's take a look at how the Unity 4X magnifier installs. Here we have an AR-15 with a Unity Tactical Fast Riser and a box-style optic. The first thing to do, if your magnifier is stowed, is deploy the magnifier into the up position, and there's a safety on the inside of the throw lever. You push that safety open, and the throw lever opens all the way. Install the magnifier on the rifle, and you can use your finger one-handed to close it, and this locks it, and it has a secondary lock as well. Now you can stow or deploy the magnifier with one hand. Then, once you go out to the range, you can use the diopter adjustment to set perfect clarity and the elevation and windage adjustments to center your reticle. When you want to stow it, you just simply push the magnifier down or pull it up to deploy it, just with the force to overcome mechanism. When stowed, the FAST 4X magnifier now removes all of the occlusion from the magnifier to the primary optic. Removing the optic is also a one-hand operation. You just push your thumb through and remove it, and then you can stow it all the way, put it in a pouch, remove it to another rifle.